For an offshore humanitarian visa, refugee and humanitarian, Class XB visa, Form 842, page number 2. Woman at risk. Subclass 204. You're a woman living outside of your home country and subject to persecution in your home country and are registered with the UNHCR as being of concern and without the protection of a male relative and in danger of victimization, harassment, and serious abuse because you are female. Children under 18. Children under 18 who have no parents and who have been separated from their parents may also be granted a visa in one of the subclasses listed above. However, the Australian government must be satisfied that child's entry to Australia is in the best interest of the child and that the rights of the parents, if any, are properly considered. If any children under 18 who are members of a family unit and included in the applications are not your biological children, you must provide the information and documentation as to who their birth parents are or will. Community Support Program. The Community Support Program enables communities and businesses as well as families and individuals to propose applicants with employment prospect and their families and to support their settlement in Australia. Only approved proposing organization APOS may propose people for enter to Australia in the Community Support Program. Information about the Community Support Program is available from the department's website homeaffairs.gov.au/CSP. Note, your APO, the organization, must complete the Form 1417 Community Support Program proposed by approved proposing organization. Your APO must lodge both of these forms, 842 and 1417, electronically by post or by courier at the department's Special Humanitarian Processing Center in Sydney. The department will share your personal information that was collected during the processing of the application with your APO. If a visa is granted, the information may be used by the APO to enable delivery of the settlement service and support. Your APO may also share your personal information with other organizations known as supporting community organizations so they can provide services to you to help you in help you settle in Australia. Split family provisions for immediate family of permanent protection Class XA, permanent humanitarian Class XB, or resolution of status Class CD visa holders. You should use this form if within the last 5 years a member of the immediate family was granted either a permanent protection visa Class 866 or permanent humanitarian visa subclass 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, or resolution status Class CD visa subclass 851. Okay, and note, your proposal must not have been an illegal maritime arrival who arrived on or after 13 August 2012. Note, under the split family provisions, the immediate family means you are the spouse or the partner, same-sex partner, dependent child, or in certain circumstances, a parent of a person in Australia who is proposing your entry. That is, your proposal has completed 681. You can only apply as a parent under these split family provisions if your child in Australia is under 18 of age. To be eligible for the grant of humanitarian visa under the split family provisions for immediate family, you must apply within 5 years of the permanent protection permanent humanitarian or resolutions of status visa being granted to your proposer. Your proposer must complete a Form 681 Refugees and Special Humanitarian Proposal available from the department's website for you to submit together with your own visa application. Your proposer must have declared you to the department as an immediate family member before the grant. partner means your spouse, de facto partner, including same-sex partners. Residential address. You must advise department where you intend to live while your application is being dealt with, or if you change your residential address, after your application has been launched, failure to give residential address will result in your applications being invalid and lost. A post office box address will not be accepted as a residential address. Your application, you should answer all the questions in this form truthfully, fully. No, I've already done this. Yeah. You should answer these questions in this form truthfully and fully. Attach any supporting documents. Form says incomplete could delay the decision being made on the applications, and your applications could be refused. Not all applicants are interviewed, or the decision may be taken in the information provided in your applications only. You need to make sure you include all details about your situation in your application. If you need more space than is provided in this form, for any of your answer, attach a separate page clearly making this questions number page related to. Additional pages must be signed, dated by each person, age 18 years old or over, included in this application. Who should be included in this application? You should include in the form all members of the family unit. Your family unit includes your spouse, de facto partner, same-sex partner, dependent children outside Australia, other dependent relative who usually live with you. Dependent means wholly and substantially dependent on you and the partner. For the financial, psychological, or physical support. Details of the dependent family members not included in your visa applications should be included in the question 12. If you fail to declare immediate family members in the application, they may not be able to access split family provisions for immediate family members referred above if they apply for the visa at a later time. Non-dependent family members, married children, or children over 18 who are independent should complete this on Form 842 if they wish to consider for entry to Australia on humanitarian grounds. Integrity of the applications. The department is committed to maintaining this integrity of the visa citizenship program. Please be aware that if you provide us with the fraudulent documents or the claim, this may result in the processing delays or your application being refused.